The prom king is looking for his queen. Show me what you've got.
Hey!
Nah, I'm good.
Why? What? Everyone can be a prom queen.
Even her?
Me, right?
And her?
He's pointed at me. Yes, even her. Me.
Good luck with this.
Come. Whoa. First, your glasses. Everything is blurry now. I found it. Now you can see your future. Oh, nice. My glasses. Now sit. Whoa. Now, let's see. Glorious Puss in Boots, what's that? Ew! You'll definitely need this. What? Why? 1, 2. It didn't work! Why are they still there? Maybe we need more. Nice, let's do this. Did it work? It didn't. What's wrong with me? Don't worry, it will be fast. Looks less scary without the red light. Done. Sweet. Didn't feel a thing. Ouch. Wait. It worked. Wow. You need a mask. Butler. Wow. Anti-wrinkles, anti-pimples, perfection cream, hair removal, hydration, and cute robot! Enough! So we will use it later. We will start with this magical potion. It's like someone from Slytherin made it. I'm joking, of course. Oh, wow! Feels sticky. This is what Nirvana feels like. Okay, wait a second. Oh, look at this! So many colors! Purple is my favorite! Come to mommy! What did you do? Oh my! Do I look good? It's hair removal cream! Oops! You don't need to scream. I have some eyebrows for you. Does it work like that? You will be surprised with the result. Let's top it. Voila! Oops! Take them off! Take them off! Nice! It's Harry's situation! Don't worry, it's some chocolate. Chocolate? Mustache on me? Coming! What is this? Ow! I need the perfect tool for it. I need to drill it. Please don't! Almost got me. ASMR hours. And that's better. It's so clean now. Ew, it's disgusting. Ew, I got this. Oh my. Ew. It's mine. I need it for later. Is this the gum I gave you last month? Candy. We still need to clean your teeth. I got the gadget for that. Squeeze it. I'm rich. I don't need to worry about wasting it. It's not too bad. Oh, what if... I'm a magician. Paris Fashion Week, here I come. They are blindingly white. But we need to do your lips. Pump it. It's a biceps day today. Wow. Now even my voice has become sexier. Magical. I want the same. 1 hour later. Is it nice? Do you like it? Not really. Relax, relax. It's all under control. What's next? Maybe lashes. Definitely lashes. Be gentle. It's beautiful. It suits you a lot. I don't see anything. Get that off me. You didn't like them. I have a mascara. Come here. Oh, wow. But it's better with off-white. Glowing queen, yes. Wow. Beautiful, but try that. Oh, I love it. It's nice, but I need to check something. Oh, wow, is that a cocktail? I'm old enough for it, I guess. Look, sus. Ow! What happened? I need to fix it. Maybe this? Oh, say no more. You can do it, Ginger. I'm going all in. I could use some more, but whatever. Let's do it. Applying it gently feels like I have 3 extra layers of skin. I could have used a bit more. Done. Oh no, she will kill me. Seriously? This will help. Let's do it. How am I supposed to go to the prom like this? She will kill me. Think, Ginger, think. Let me see. Ew, what is that? Polka dot man. Please. No. Why? I'll never be queen. He'll never like me. Why are you crying? I ruined the dress and have nothing to wear. You little. Actually, don't worry, honey. I have tons of them. Take this. Oh, really? Okay. Better? I think I look very pretty. This is way too flat. You need boobs. I have the perfect gadget for you. Let's turn it on. What's going on? No. 1, 2, 3. I guess it's done. So did it work? Did it work? Not really. What will make them look bigger? Oh, I know. The good old way. 1, 2. Aha! And now, what are you looking for? Oh, you come with me. This is perfect. I need it for the body. This is what I need. Let me just perfect. Don't worry, honey. We will go to the doctor. What's next? What? It worked. Feeling myself. Now I need to order a new dress. Let me see. You need makeup. I got you, hon. That's the last model of La Mer. Wow! Yes! Whoa! What did you do? Wait, I have an idea. I hope this will do the trick. Come on. Yes. Now, which one should I choose? Pink it is. Watch closer. I got some in my mouth. And now, hey sisters, ready for my makeup tutorial. This is not the best thing for your skin, kids. Done. Do you like it? I think it's cute. Yeah. But what about black? Ooh. Let's make the magic happen. Wow. Now it's time for your hair. Your hair is dirty. Let's try dry shampoo. I look like a granny. That's better. Let's use this gadget. What? Oh. Great, now let's remove it. Yay! This is how I unroll. Wow! Wow, it worked. You're almost ready. And the last step, the perfect dress. Wow! It's so beautiful! Hey, now let's see a new version of Ginger. Ta-da!
What?
Ginger! Someone called me. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She'll get money too. We did it! Whoa!
Ouch!
I'm good. I'm good. Now, guys, you can go. I'm done here. Ta-da! Yeah. She's so cool! Yeah! Woohoo! Thank you, guys! Breathe, Ginger. Breathe. Ooh.
You can do it!
I can do it. Hey, guys! I'm here to win the prom queen crown. Ginger? Wow! Really? Yeah! You're the queen! Oh my god! Thank you!
She's a real prom queen! Congratulations!
Thanks! What a nice couple! I need to do the next transformation!